Hello everyone, welcome to HK Fit Life. My name is Hemant, a certified personal trainer and a fitness coach. Today we are going to do full body workout using a resistant band. मैंने यहाँ पे लाइट इंटेंसिटी के रेजिस्टेंट बैंड यूज़ की है. आप चाहें तो एक मीडियम इंटेंसिटी की भी बैंड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले हमें वार्म अप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि हमारे मसल्स में ब्लड फ्लो अच्छी तरह से हो और हम इंजरी फ्री वर्कआउट कर सकें. सबसे पहले हमें अपने स्टैंड्स को हमारे शोल्डर विथ अपार्ट एडजस्ट कर लेना है. चेस्ट अप, बैक के न्यूट्रल रखते हुए नीचे जाना है जितना कि हमारे थाइस फ्लोर से पैरेलल हो और नी टो लाइन से बाहर. नीचे जाओगे तो आप ब्रीथ इन करोगे, ऊपर आते वक्त यू हैव टू ब्रीथ आउट. इसको हमें मिनिमम 15 to 20 रेपिटेशंस और 2 से 3 सेट इसके लगाने हैं. और ये एकदम स्लो एंड कंट्रोल फॉर्म में आपको ये इसको परफॉर्म करना है. गाइस, यू हैव टू एंश्योर दैट यू टेक अ रेस्ट ऑफ 30 to 45 seconds in between every set and sip some water so that you remain hydrated throughout your workout. हमारी दूसरी एक्सरसाइज है लेग प्रेस. This exercise strengthens your quads, hamstring and your glutes. It's one of the best exercise for the one who is at the beginner level too, and also the one who wants that extra strength in a thigh muscle. While you set up, you have to ensure that your shoulder, knees and feet are in one line. Now come down slowly with nice flex in your hips and knees and push it back, extending your knees. Continue to perform this movement with 15 to 20 repetitions each of 2 to 3 sets. Breathe in while you go down and breathe out while you go up. If you want to increase the intensity, hold the band closer to the feet for more effective burns. Guys, our next exercise is lat pull down over resistant band. We have adjusted the resistant band on our door. You can also adjust it at your window grill or your curtain bar. Now rest your lower body completely, keeping your upper body upright. Hold the handles slightly wider than your shoulder width, keeping your chest up and back neutral. Now before you pull the band down, retract your shoulder blades so that your traps and primary muscles, latissimus dorsi, जिसे हम lats कहते हैं, वो activate हो जाए. Pull the resistant band to the upper chest, contract your back completely, then slowly release it upwards. Breathe out while you come down and breathe in while you go up. Every time before you come down, ensure to correct your form importantly for best results and proper muscle activation. This exercise not only works on your lats but on your biceps too. We will do 15 to 20 repetitions each of 2 to 3 sets with the rest of 30 to 45 seconds in between. गाइस, हमारी दूसरी एक्सरसाइज है सीटेड रो. यहाँ पे हमने रेजिस्टेंट बैंड को सोफ़ा के हैंडल से अटैच किया हुआ है और हम इतने डिस्टेंस पे बैठे हैं जहाँ पे हमारे नी स्लाइटली फ्लेक्स्ड है और हमारा बैक completely contract हो सके. When you pull the resistant band, you have to breathe out, and when you release it back, you have to breathe in. Keep your chest up and your back neutral so that you get the maximum contraction and proper activation on your middle and the lower traps. It trains your latissimus dorsi, that's your lats. Repeat this for 15 to 20 repetitions and perform 2 to 3 sets each. Guys, हमारी दूसरी एक्सरसाइज है शोल्डर ओवरहेड प्रेस. Place your resistant band under the feet firmly and adjust your feet to your shoulder level width. Get the resistant band to your shoulder level where your elbows and wrists are in one line and your forearms perpendicular to the floor. This exercise trains your anterior deltoid and secondary works on your tricep muscles. This can even be performed in a seated position so that you get a strict restriction on your shoulder delts. Now breathe out while you go up and breathe in when you come down. We will do 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions each. गाइस हमारी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है फ्लैट चेस्ट प्रेस जिसे हम फ्लोर पे कर रहे हैं टू गेट द फील ऑफ दैट सुपर बेंच. होल्ड द रेजिस्टेंट बैंड टू योर चेस्ट लेवल slightly wider than your shoulder width. Get the band to your lower chest when you come down where your arms are parallel to the floor and your elbow and wrist in one line perpendicular to the floor. Breathe in while you come down and breathe out while you go up. We will do 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions each. गाइस आज के लिए बस इतना ही. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. मैं आगे भी ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के साथ में आपसे मिलता रहूँगा. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get all latest video update. Till then, stay at home, stay fit and stay healthy. Bye bye.